there, my name is Mike from mikesbikescanada.com. I am one of the top consultant specialists in Canada for the GIO 500W electric scooter. Over the next little while, I'm going to take the time to explain to you how to properly assemble with all the safety needed so this scooter is safe and enjoyable on the road. So please bear with me, take all the time that you need to understand in full detail how to properly assemble, as it is very important. So thank you from Mike and from mikesbikescanada.com, and I hope you enjoy. Well, when you receive a GIO 500W electric scooter, this is the original box that it comes in. So it will come from the supplier right to your door and arrive like this. The only tool that's required to safely remove the GIO from the box is an X-Acto knife. Now, first thing you do is cut these straps. So, those are done. Once those are off, fold the top flat back. Use your knife. There's the first piece. Second lead, fold it down. X-Acto. These two removed. Keep it as close to the edge as possible. You don't want to start here or anything and scratch the scooter. Inside, and then over here on this one. And at this point, be careful, because when you pull this down, the scooter could fall. So what I always do from here is remove these little ties on the front wheel, and the front wheel comes off. Once again, be careful, you don't want the scooter to fall over on its side. It will crack or scratch, and that's not how you want your first scooter to be. So once you're here, grab it from the back rack, lift it up, pull it out of the box. Don't let go of it because it will fall. As you can see, it's not very stable. Put your foot on the back kickstand, jack it up on the double kickstand. Now you can see she's very stable, very secure. Always make sure you check inside the box for little things that may have fallen out, like this lock. If you wouldn't have looked, you could have thrown it away and been out of lock. And that wouldn't have been the greatest thing in the world, because they do all come with a lock. So now we are going to safely remove the bubble wrap from the GIO 500 electric scooter. Once again, all you need is an X-Acto knife. Now, please keep in mind, they put this here so that it's padded from the front wheel, and it has a piece of tape that goes all the way down. Take that tape off nicely. Otherwise, you could have a smudge or a blur or something like that on your brand new scooter, and you don't want that. So the tape goes down on both sides. So gently take the tape off of the back wheel fender. And once again, it's just to keep it from smudging. There you go. That's that piece. And now you could use your hand. Take it right here in the middle. Split the bubble wrap right down there, right down the back as well. And be gently, make sure any tape that is taping it to the scooter, take off nicely, because you don't want those smudges. Okay, now for the handlebars. Once again, be very careful, because you don't want to scratch your handlebars. safely removed from your handlebars. Now, this is your trunk box, and it's bubble wrapped all the way around the scooter by a piece of tape on this side. Break the tape, pull it down underneath. Now the trunk box is just wrapped in a bubble wrap bag, so all you have to do is gently remove it from the bubble wrap bag, and then you are done removing all of the bubble wrap from the GIO 500W electric scooter.